Ever wondered if Twilio is just a one-way street for SMS? Spoiler alert, it's not. Let's dive right in and confirm you can absolutely receive text messages back on Twilio Numbers. First, you'll need a Twilio account and a Twilio phone number. Navigate to the phone number section in your Twilio dashboard. This is where you'll manage your numbers and configure how to handle incoming messages. The crucial part is setting up the message comes in Webhook. This tells Twilio where to send information whenever someone texts your number. Think of it as Twilio notifying your server about the incoming message. This webhook points to a URL on your server. Your server-side script will then process the incoming message, extract the text and sender information, and can then take action. This action could be anything from simply logging the message to responding with an automated reply using the commands provided on Twilio's documentation. Consider implementing features like keyword recognition to trigger different responses, creating a dynamic and engaging conversational flow. Remember best practices: implement error handling to catch unexpected issues, prioritize security to protect user data, and limit your responses to avoid spamming. With some creative programming, you can use these techniques to build interactive SMS applications, run surveys, create appointment reminders, or even build entire conversational chatbots. So, there you have it. Twilio is fully equipped for two-way SMS communication. Get creative and build something awesome.